Hi everyone, in this video we'll take a look at how to update or how to customize the Butter meeting link. Let's dive right in. Now on my screen right now I have a room created in Butter. If I copy the meeting invite link and then paste it in a browser, you can see that it is just a bunch of some random characters and it is not very readable and not very memorizable as well. So what if I wanted to update this URL, this link, so that it's very easy for me to share this link around? What I can do is within a few clicks I can customize both parts of this URL, but let's take a look at what these two parts actually mean. Now, a Butter URL is comprised of three segments, three parts. This first prefix is just the URL of the app itself. You cannot customize that for possibly obvious reasons. The second part in the middle is the workspace name, the workspace identifier. Now, this tells Butter which account this room is in, this meeting is in. And the last part of this URL is the room identifier and the actual meeting identifier. So combined with these two, what Butter is able to decide is this meeting is in which room, is this meeting is in which workspace, and then just basically show that room to the people visiting this link. So to update both of these identifiers, what you can do is let's try updating the workspace name first, workspace identifier first. So if I click on settings, I can scroll down to workspace name, and as you can see, Butter provides an example as well, and this is the place where it will change. So let's click the edit button and replace this with, I'm going to replace this with just my name, but you can replace this with your organization's name, or if you're creating a personal account, you can update this with your name as well. So depends on what your use case is. For me, this is my personal account, so I will update this with my name. And as you can see, this already does look much better, but we won't stop at that. Let's go and update the room link URL as well. So if I click on rooms, and if I click on setup, I can see in the first page itself, the room URL, it already applied these changes. So it already got the prefix and the new workspace name, and now all I have to do is update the room URL. So let's keep this very simple, just 1 to 3. Most likely the URL will be available because it should be unique. The room name or URL should be unique per workspace. So unless you've created another room that also has 1 to 3, this URL should definitely be available. I click on save, and now that is my meeting link. So after you click on save, it usually does a refresh, loads all these changes, and now what you can do is you can copy the Butter link, the meeting URL, and then paste it in the browser and hit enter. And of course, if the session has been started, then you should be able to join the meeting right away. Otherwise, of course, you will be in the waiting page. So there you can see we are in the waiting room now, and we are looking at the new URL for our meeting room. So that's a quick video on how to update your workspace name and room name for the URL parts, so that when you share the meeting invite link, you get a very nice sort of readable, memorizable meeting invite link. That's it for this video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and watch out for more videos to come.